What if I told you this vertical video could be turned into this horizontal video using AI? And the best part is, the AI actually generates the missing parts of the video for you. Let me show you how. So let's get started. First, open Google Flow. I've added the link in the description. Once you are inside Google Flow, click on New Project. Now click on the plus icon inside the prompt box. Then click on Upload Media. Select the vertical video that you want to convert into a horizontal video. If you see an I agree prompt, simply click on it. Your video will now start uploading to the All Media folder. Depending on the file size, this may take a few moments, so wait for the upload to finish. Once the upload is complete, click on the plus icon again. This time, select your uploaded video from the All Media section. Now click on the tab here. From the available options, select Video. Next, change the frame size to 16:9. This is the standard landscape format used for YouTube videos. Also, make sure the selected model is Omni Flash. Now in the prompt box, enter this simple prompt. Expand this video to landscape and send the prompt. Google Flow will now start generating the new version of your video. The AI will intelligently expand the sides of your original footage and create the missing content. This process may take a few minutes, so wait for the generation to complete. And it's done! Click on the generated video to open it in the editor. From here, simply click on the download button and save the video to your computer. And as you can see, the output looks amazing. Instead of stretching the video or adding black bars, the AI actually generates new content around the original footage to create a natural looking landscape video. This makes it perfect for turning vertical videos, shorts, reels, and mobile footage into horizontal videos for YouTube and other platforms. So that's how you can easily convert vertical videos into horizontal videos using Google Flow. Now tell me in the comments, what kind of videos would you use this for? And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who creates videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.